Hi! Today I will show you how to add a new node. To add more nodes to your environment, you will need to install the storage component only. Such service will run services related to data storage and will be added to the Virtuozzo Storage infrastructure during installation. For security reasons, you will need to provide a token that can only be obtained from the management panel. This is the web interface of the management panel. To obtain a token, we will need to press Add Node. Here we can see the token that we will use while adding other nodes. Save the token and proceed to installing the storage component on other servers. Having obtained the token, boot the next server for the additional node. In Storage Wizard, select Virtuozzo Storage component and choose Storage. In the Management Node field, specify the IP address of the node with the management panel. In the Token field, specify the acquired token. Keep in mind that a single token can be used to install storage component on multiple nodes in parallel. Click Done. Now you should open Installation Destination screen and select a device in the Device Selection section and click Done. Configure other options if required. Then you should open Root Password and specify the password. Now you are ready to begin the installation and you should just press Begin Installation button. To add more nodes to your infrastructure, repeat the same installation steps. Once you have installed the storage component on the last server, log into the management panel and make sure that all the storage nodes are present in the unassigned list on the node screen. Then proceed to creating your first cluster.